Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do the ever so popular Christmas ornaments. I'll have everything you need listed in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my... Alright y'all, we're going to start off by glittering the inside of our ornament. And I like to make my own mixture of glue and water, and I just use equal parts of clear Elmer's glue and water, and then I'll just mix it up really well and pour it inside of the ornament and just coat the ornament with the glue. And any of the extra glue I'll just pour back into the little container I mixed. Go ahead and pour the glitter in there, and you just turn the glitter all the way around until it's nice and coated. And I'll just turn it upside down as so anything can drain and it can dry as I complete my other ornaments. And I just do the same thing with acrylic paint. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do while we wait for everything to drain and dry is go ahead and head over to Cricut Design Space. And I've already uploaded some SVGs that I've purchased from Etsy up into a new canvas. And if I can, I'll try and find the shop links and leave them in the description box, as well as everything else I used in the tutorial, okay? So we have our SVGs loaded, and I'm just going to go over here over to Images, because there's a couple more things that I need. Let me uncheck this, and I'm just going to go ahead and let me search eyes. Let's try closed eyes. Awesome, so that narrowed our results. So I'm just going to scroll through here and just kind of, like pick which set of eyes I want for my project. And this looks perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that, and I'm going to go back up here into the text bar and search Merry Christmas. Oh, if I could spell it right. Let me see. There we go. And I'm just looking for some cute text, and I like the way this looks, so we're just going to go ahead and hit add to canvas. Okay, boom. So let's go ahead and separate these two. Oops, I forgot one thing. Let's go back over to Images and type in lips. Same process, just go through and pick which ones you like. These look perfect. Awesome. And hit add to canvas. Awesome. So that is going to go with that. And let's go ahead and size this down. I need it to be about 3¼ inches wide. Okay, so that'll work. So I'm just going to go ahead and size everything down to be about 3¼ inches wide. And of course, this will vary depending on what ornaments you use. And all I did was take a tape measure and just go around the ornament to get the dimensions that I wanted. And I don't want the lips to be 3.25. They obviously need to be smaller. Maybe let me try 1.5. Yeah, I think that looks good. Yep, that looks pretty good right there. Awesome. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead over here to the Santa, because if you go over to the right and you look at your layers panel, it just has, like several pieces that'll be cut separately. And I'm just going to go ahead and attach all the light colors together, right? Because I just want everything to cut out in one piece. So let me go ahead and hide all the colors I don't want right now. Oh wait, no, I want black. So anything that's not black right now, I'm just going to go ahead and hide it. Take all this black right here, select it, and hit attach. Okay, so now, oh, sorry, hold on, y'all. Gotta ungroup it first. Okay, now we can go ahead and attach everything. So all the black will cut out in one piece. And so let's go ahead and bring all the red back. Red, I thought he had some red gloves. Somehow the gloves turned black, but that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and hide this and hide that. And I'm going to attach these with the hat and the gloves because those are going to be red. So I'm going to go ahead and hit attach and it'll cut out in red. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the white. Attach all the white pieces so it just cuts out together. So hide everything else. Hit attach. And that looks good. So now I'm going to go ahead to my text box and I'm just going to type out Stewart. And that's going to go in here. Let me change the font. I think this looks good. Just make it a little bit smaller so it fits into the monogram. Just a little bit smaller. All right, so let me select, well, you know what? Doesn't even matter because I'm going to go ahead and select both of these. Go up here to align and hit center vertical. Nope. Hit align and center horizontally. So that's centered, but I'm not sure why I didn't center this as well, but that's okay. Just go ahead and fix it myself. All right, bam. So I have that. I'm going to connect those pieces and hit attach as well. And let's just go ahead and weld that together too. And let me change this color, ungroup it. Let's change this to, I guess we could do black. And then we'll do the other, no, let's do this one black. And we'll do the other red. Or should we do white? Let's just do red because we'll put it on some silver. Well, I think the white will look better than the black. All right, so we have that. And let's do the same for this. Let's ungroup that. Let's change this Mary to, I guess white. Awesome. So now that we have everything sized, how we want it, the colors, how we want, we're just going to go ahead and hit make it. So I noticed I have 7 mats for this project and you know, we don't need all these mats. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and go through it like this. I just want this to be red. So I'm going to select the mat, hit the 3 dots right here and hit move object. And I'm just going to move it to this mat right here. And just move it over. Do that same thing for the lips. Move it right there. Okay, so that mat is done with, and this red mat right here. Same thing, select the mat, hit the three dots, hit move object, and put it on that mat right there. And I'll just put it right there. And this can go over to the black mat. That's just something I didn't pay attention to before I hit making everything the same color so that I wouldn't have to go through this process, but it is okay. Might be a learning opportunity for someone out there. Alright, so just move that like that. And you know what? Honestly, I could have attached those so that they cut out in one piece, but that is okay. Okay, so I've reduced the amount of mats I need. And go ahead and hit continue. And don't forget, you can check the description box for a full list of supplies I used in this video, as well as my social media links where you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So once everything is cut, we're just going to go ahead and weed it, and then I'll just go ahead and layer my Santa because that's pretty much the only design that we did that needed to be layered. Nothing fancy, just did laid one color at a time, and I like to just focus on one spot and then lay the rest of the vinyl down that way. No magic trick, just practice, I guess. So once I have everything all layered on my Santa, I'm just going to go ahead and pick up my flat bulb. I did some flat bulbs and I did some round bulbs just to get a kind of, good mixture for this project. And I just go ahead and transferred him onto there. And then I'll just do the same thing with the rest of my bulbs. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to come through and show you this tutorial because this is a super popular Christmas craft. And if you're looking for some extra money for the holidays, this is a definitely must do. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.